Lavender, with its beautiful purple hues and calming aroma, has been treasured for centuries. This versatile plant has found its way into the hearts and homes of people across the globe, transcending cultures and eras. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Romans, recognized its value. The Egyptians used lavender in their mummification processes, believing it had protective qualities, while the Romans used it to scent their baths and linens. They used lavender in their daily lives, incorporating it into baths, perfumes, and even medicines. Lavender was also believed to ward off evil spirits and was often used in religious ceremonies and rituals. Lavender's popularity continued through the ages. In medieval times, it was used to freshen the air in homes and was a key ingredient in many herbal remedies. During the Victorian era, it was a staple in gardens and homes, prized for its fragrance and beauty. Lavender was often used in sachets to scent drawers and closets, and it became a symbol of cleanliness and purity. Today, lavender remains a beloved herb, sought after for its calming and therapeutic properties. It is widely used in aromatherapy, skincare, and even culinary dishes, showcasing its versatility. Its enduring appeal speaks to its powerful ability to soothe the mind, body, and spirit. People continue to turn to lavender for relaxation, stress relief, and overall well-being. Lavender's rich history is a testament to its enduring power as a gift from nature. From ancient rituals to modern wellness practices, lavender's journey through time highlights its timeless allure and multifaceted benefits. In today's fast-paced world, stress and sleeplessness are common concerns. Lavender offers a natural and effective way to find relief. Its calming aroma has been shown to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Studies have demonstrated lavender's ability to lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone. This makes it an excellent choice for managing everyday anxieties. Lavender is also known to improve sleep quality. Its soothing scent can help quiet the mind, preparing the body for a restful night's sleep. Whether used in aromatherapy or taken internally as a tea, lavender provides a gentle and effective approach to finding peace and tranquility. Lavender's calming effects are not merely anecdotal, they are backed by scientific research. The aroma of lavender interacts with our olfactory system, which is directly connected to the brain's limbic system. The limbic system is responsible for our emotional responses, including stress and anxiety. When lavender's scent reaches the limbic system, it triggers the release of neurochemicals like GABA. GABA has calming effects on the nervous system, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. This interaction between lavender and the brain explains its ability to alleviate stress and improve sleep. Furthermore, research suggests that lavender may also possess sedative properties, further contributing to its sleep-enhancing benefits. Section 4. Inviting lavender into your life. Practical uses for tranquility. Integrating lavender into your daily routine is simple and enjoyable. Lavender has been cherished for centuries for its calming and soothing properties. Whether you are starting your day or winding down in the evening, lavender can be a wonderful addition to your self-care rituals. One of the most popular methods is through aromatherapy using an essential oil diffuser. This method allows the natural fragrance of lavender to permeate your living space, creating a serene and peaceful environment. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to your diffuser and enjoy the calming aroma that fills your home. The gentle mist not only freshens the air, but also helps to reduce stress and anxiety, making it perfect for unwinding after a long day. Another effective way to experience lavender's benefits is by adding a few drops of essential oil to a warm bath. This practice can transform your bath time into a spa-like experience, helping to relax your muscles and calm your mind. The combination of warm water and lavender's soothing scent creates a luxurious and relaxing experience. Light some candles, play soft music, and let the stress of the day melt away. For a peaceful night's sleep, consider using a lavender sleep spray. This simple addition to your bedtime routine can make a significant difference in the quality of your sleep. Mist your pillow and linens with a mixture of lavender essential oil and distilled water. The calming scent will help you drift off to sleep more easily and enjoy a deeper, more restful slumber. Lavender tea is another excellent option for relaxation and sleep enhancement. This herbal tea not only tastes delightful, but also offers numerous health benefits. Steep dried lavender flowers in hot water for a soothing and aromatic bedtime beverage. Sipping on lavender tea can help to calm your nerves, reduce anxiety, and prepare your body for a restful night's sleep. Section 5. Lavender safety. Using nature's gift wisely. While lavender is generally safe for most people, it's essential to use it responsibly. This means understanding the proper ways to incorporate it into your daily routine without causing harm. When using lavender essential oil, always dilute it in a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil before applying it to the skin. This step is crucial because undiluted essential oils can be too potent and may cause skin irritation or allergic reactions. This helps prevent skin irritation and ensures that the oil is absorbed more effectively. Always perform a patch test before using it extensively. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult their healthcare provider before using lavender essential oil. This is because certain essential oils can have effects that might not be safe during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Additionally, it's crucial to purchase high-quality lavender essential oil from a reputable source. Low-quality oils may contain additives or impurities that can be harmful. Look for oils that are organic and therapeutic grade to ensure purity and potency. These labels indicate that the oil has been produced under strict standards and is free from harmful chemicals. By following these safety guidelines, you can enjoy the many benefits of lavender without any adverse effects. Whether you're using it for relaxation, skincare, or overall wellness, using lavender wisely ensures a safe and pleasant experience. Section 6. Embrace the power of lavender. A natural path to well-being. In a world often filled with stress and uncertainty, lavender offers a natural and effective way to find peace and tranquility. Its calming aroma, backed by scientific research, has the power to soothe the mind, body, and spirit. Whether you choose to incorporate lavender into your daily routine through aromatherapy baths or teas, its gentle yet powerful effects can enhance your overall well-being. Embrace the power of lavender and experience the transformative benefits of this ancient gift from nature. Allow its soothing aroma to guide you towards a more relaxed and fulfilling life. Section 7. Share your lavender journey. Connecting through nature's gift. We invite you to share your experiences with lavender in the comments below. How has lavender enhanced your life? What are your favorite ways to incorporate it into your daily routine? Your insights and stories can inspire others to discover the transformative power of this remarkable herb. Together, let's create a community where we can learn from each other and embrace the healing power of nature.